Hi guys, I'm Alexandru. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Atomos Shinobi. It's not Ninja, it's a Shinobi. I was thinking about getting the Ninja one, but it's too expensive, and to be honest, at the moment I cannot afford it. So I decided to go with the Shinobi, which is still a good monitor. It's actually really good. I haven't had a chance to test it yet because I don't have the wire to be able to connect it, but whenever I get a chance I will test it out. Today is just going to be an unboxing because I also do not know much about the monitor. I did some research onto it, but I still need to actually put it myself to test because I cannot just tell you something that I haven't tested yet myself. If you want to check any other tutorials, I think there's plenty on YouTube that you're going to be able to find and how to use the monitor, but for today, as I mentioned, it's going to be only an unboxing. Okay, so actually whenever I received the package, it came really well packed. I bought it from Park Cameras. Also, before buying this monitor, I did some research onto the pricing and where can I get it cheaper. So I got it cheaper into Park Cameras, which was £289, and then £5.99 for the delivery. So a total of, let's say, £300 sort of. On Amazon it was like for £347, close to 350, but it was not available, so I had to wait like a bit longer, and I didn't want to wait. Before buying the monitor, I called Park Cameras because some of these websites that they're not, let's say, like the mainstream, like for example Caris PC World or Amazon and stuff like that, they usually buy it on the grey market. That means that basically they do not have the warranty from the manufacturer. They buy it from a different country, they get it a bit cheaper. Once you get it on your hands, you're not going to be able to be covered by the brand itself if anything happens to the monitor or any other product. So I did check with them and asked them if the monitor did have a warranty, and they said it had 1 year warranty for the year. And also I've asked them if it's new or used, and they said to me that it's new. So I'm not sure whether to trust them on that, because whenever I did open the packaging just before doing the shoot, it came a bit with, let's say, tiny dust particles, which it felt like possibly this has been opened or maybe someone used it before. I don't think it has been used, but it kind of felt like it has, just because it came like a bit dusty inside the box. Not very much, but it was just some dust particles. As we open the box, we can see first the monitor, which is basically the screen protected by a plastic cover. And then after that, we can see some instructions. And also there's like a business card saying welcome or whatever, like if you want to check us out. And after that, you are able to see, let's say, the fake battery power, which is basically used in case you're not traveling and you're just at home or you're indoors or possibly in a studio, in case you don't need the remote functionality of it and you just have your monitor still on a stand. Also, with the fake battery, it also comes different adapters for different countries. I suppose one of them is for Europe and the other one is for the US. That's why it comes into the box. Going back to the monitor, we have here a SD card slot, which you can basically install your LUT package. For example, if you go on Premiere Pro or let's say Final Cut or whatever, you can create your own LUTs and then you can import them into the monitor, and then you can just visualize, preview how it's going to look like whenever you're actually shooting on the day. Then at the bottom, we can see that there's like a tripod connection where you can mount it on a tripod, or you can mount it above a camera or anything that you want to do. The same is at the top, as you can see here. Let me show you. There we go. We have that here, and then we have here to mount the battery at the back. Also, what I did realize that you need to do whenever you are let's say mounting the battery, you need to press this tiny button here, just in case, because myself, I did force it a bit and I felt like, oh, I just broke it. So whenever you're putting the battery on or taking it off, make sure that you press the button and then you slide the battery in there. Also, here on the side we have the HDMI input, I think. Yes, input. So basically just connected the HDMI cable to the camera, and then you're going to be able to use the monitor. Also on the side here, we can connect our headphones just to check the sound and basically making sure that the audio is working properly. And here, I do not know what you can do with this one. It says remote. Possibly you can connect a remote to start recording, putting it off. I'm not too sure what the functionality does with this, but for sure, whenever I'm going to be testing this out, I'm going to find out what you can do with this remote, let's say plug, whatever it's called. Whenever you turn it on, you need to hold it for 4 seconds. And then if you click it once, you lock the monitor. And then if you click it another time, you lock the monitor, which is kind of nice. I haven't tested it yet, but I'm guessing if there's many settings and there's possibility of, let's say, you clicking the monitor, is really nice to have that lock system. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please leave a like because it always helps with the algorithm. And also leave a comment, what would you like next to be unboxed. I will try my best to bring it to the channel. And also at the same time, let me know what kind of content you would like to see, or if you have any questions about the Shinobi. Since I've got it in my possession, I will be able to answer all your questions. And I think that's it. Remember to subscribe and activate the bell to not miss out any of these videos. I will see you on the next one.